What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jules. So I am here and back with another video. So this is not your typical haul and this is not your typical vlog. This is clean out my closet day. So if you guys don't already know, and I think I kind of said this before, I kind of work from home and I do videography full time, so entrepreneur, and I do modeling part time as well. But I said, Jewel, you need to clean your closet. And while I'm kind of like, I literally just started, I was like, let me come back in here where the lighting is good. Let me at least record, you guys. Let me record myself cleaning up this closet and show you guys how I organize my closet, because I actually organize my closet similar to like how Plato's Closet does it with color coordination. And this is I actually did my spring cleaning right when spring happened, so this is actually my second time kind of cleaning out my closet. And the main reason for me wanting to clean out my closet is because I've been getting a lot of clothes lately from different businesses and boutiques, and I said, man, the clothes is piling up. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of been putting clothes in there. And I also realized, I saw that I still had some fall jackets and stuff that were just hanging up, and I need to put that in my fall bin. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how my bin, not my bin, but how my stuff looks now. So this is why my room looks messy the way it does, and then I'm gonna show you guys an after. So let's go. And you guys can see Jinx, you know, doing his cat teens. Where he at? Yeah, Jinx. And I also have to get a new vacuum cleaner because our vacuum cleaner isn't really working anymore, so I have to get a new one. So yeah, here's the messy mess of everything. And I also just did a haul as well, so make sure you guys checked out that haul. And yeah, so right now, so what I just finished doing, I just finished folding up these jeans and everything. So the jeans on this here, this is all my jean pants. The clothes over here in this section, these are bottoms, and these bottoms are not jeans. I mean, they're jean shorts, but these are bottoms that are non-jeans. This pants section over here, and y'all don't, excuse my photo, I still gotta fold the rest. I know they kind of leaning sideways right now, but the pants over here, these are like pants for like, you know, going to work or like casual. And then this is just also like going out bottoms, and this is like bottoms that are like sweatpants and stretchy stretch items and whatnot. But let me change my camera battery real quick. Completed with everything. My sister just left out from my room, and she kind of made like a really good point. She was saying how I need to get rid of some of the bins that I currently have right now, which are these, and replace them with like one of those like white organizer bins, just to kind of like organize my space a lot more, and I was agreeing with her. I was like, I definitely need that. So that's gonna be another project that I'm actually going to tackle, and I'll be sure to take you guys along with me, probably even shopping with me if I see that. But it if I like make a day to like, hey, let me go ahead, buy some bins, bring them over, storage them. I think I'm gonna really do that really soon, and probably even record that process and everything. But I'm gonna show you guys how the closet looks so far. Well, hold on. Okay, sorry, I'm out of breath. I just got to lift in have some heavy stuff. I'm tired. My sister, she was talking about how she doesn't like my white hangers. She likes my velvet hangers a lot more, but I had more white hangers than velvet and stuff, and you know, these velvet hangers were not cheap. But just kind of show you guys what I have going on. This is like my jackets and stuff, and my rows, my little wigs over there to the side. And I try to color coordinate with like pink, maroon, green, you know, going bright orange, from brown to white. And I got this big space right here, and then coming over here to black. This needs to be moved, actually. Yeah, that needs to be moved right here. Yeah, and then coming over here with some colors and stuff, like, well, not really colors, but the darker color outfit, excuse me. So like black, blue a little bit. So these are all in gray and things like that. What's wrong? Say hey. Oh hell, why are you trying to smack them? Jinx. You just don't like the camera in your face. But no, so yeah, so that's kind of how I have my closet at the moment. But because of the suggestion that my sister gave me, I'm actually going to do that. Here at the bottom, I'm gonna show you guys right now. This is just how everything is stored in here. Some of my shoes and whatnot. And my closet is not that big, as you guys can tell. Oop, don't fall. Yes, you guys, my closet space is not that big. Who texted me? Oh no. Yeah, so hopefully, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff together. So I'm gonna make that my next big project to definitely work on. I'm sorry that my lighting's not good. It's better over here, but I'm raising my arm. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this project. So I just kind of at least wanted to organize my closet so far. And so yeah, I'm excited to do that. I'm super excited to do it. I'm gonna place my camera here. Oops. So yeah, like I said, super excited to tackle on this next project. You guys, now he's looking at the camera. Come here. Come here. Come here. So yeah, so other than that, we're about to go ahead and conclude this video. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and comment and stuff like that. And if you guys know where I could get some, you know, some really cute, nice bins, you guys, like, comment below and let me know. Whether it's like Walmart, Marshalls, Target, I don't know. I'm going to be searching. So give me about a couple of weeks to kind of get on that. Because I'm not worried about doing it right away. But I'm definitely going to do it soon. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys catch up and watch my previous videos. And I will see you guys next time. I'm out.